The wide range of different stone flooring surfaces found in facilities can seem endless, with each surface containing characteristics that make them each unique. But for all their differences, one area of similarity is each can be kept clean every day with Stone Clean, daily neutral stone cleaner. Stone Clean is highly concentrated, making it an economical choice for virtually any stone flooring surface. It's low foaming, allowing for use in automatic scrubbers. The neutral, residue-free, free rinsing formulation will not diminish a floor's gloss, and it's recommended for regularly crystallized surfaces. No matter what type of stone surface, Stone Clean will leave it sparkling clean with a citrus fragrance.